Hello and welcome to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. My name is Bryan Fagan and today we'll be discussing a topic that can be daunting for parents: what happens if you ignore CPS? It's very important to understand that Child Protective Services, or CPS, exists to protect children from abuse and neglect. However, as with any government agency, there are instances where actions might not align with the interest of parents or guardians. This is where understanding your rights and obligations come into play. As a family law attorney, I've represented countless clients in cases involving CPS, and I can tell you from experience it's important to be informed and prepared. Did you know that Child Protective Services can investigate a family based solely on anonymous tips or even social media posts? That's right. Something as simple as a neighbor who believes they've heard you yelling, or a concerned friend who saw a messy house in a Facebook post, can prompt CPS investigation. So what happens if CPS shows up at your door? First and foremost, you have the right to remain silent. Just like law enforcement, you do not have to answer any questions that could potentially incriminate you. It's important to remember, anything you say to a CPS caseworker can be used against you in court. If you do choose to speak with a CPS caseworker, it is crucial to understand anything you say can be twisted or misconstrued, leading to unintended consequences. For example, if you admit to smoking marijuana, even if it's legal in your state, it could lead to your child being removed from your care. Another important thing to keep in mind is CPS can use your past against you. If you have a criminal record or a history with CPS, they will use that information to make their case against you. This is why it's important to work with an experienced family law attorney who can help you navigate the process and ensure your rights are protected. Now let's say you choose to ignore CPS. What happens then? Ignoring CPS can have serious consequences, including removal of your child from your care. CPS has this authority to remove a child if they believe the child is in imminent danger. This means if CPS shows up at your door and you refuse to let them in and refuse to speak with them, they could obtain a court order to remove your child. Furthermore, ignoring CPS can result in criminal charges being filed against you. If CPS believes you willfully neglected your child, you could be charged with a crime and face fines, probation, or even jail time. Let me give you an example. I had a client who ignored CPS when they showed up at her door. She believed she didn't have to speak with them because she had done nothing wrong. However, CPS obtained a court order and removed her child from her care. It was a difficult and emotional situation. For my client, it could have been avoided if she had spoken with an attorney and understood her rights and her obligations. In conclusion, it is important to take CPS investigations seriously and work with an experienced family law attorney who can help you navigate the process. Ignoring CPS can have serious consequences, including the removal of your child and criminal charges. Remember, you have the right to remain silent, but you also have the obligation to ensure your child is safe and protected. If you have any questions or concerns about CPS, please don't hesitate to reach out to our office for help.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you, so please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.